The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Dickinson County and central Kansas, Geary County, Morris County, until midnight. At 11:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles north of Moonlight to 3 miles west of Woodbine to 4 miles southeast of Ramona, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Junction City, Harrington, Council Grove, Grandview Plaza, Chapman, Enterprise, White City, Hope, Dwight, Woodbine, Wilsey, Parkerville, Latimer, Moonlight, Council Grove Lake, and Burdick. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 277 and 313. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.